Tonight, dahil ito lang ang iisipin nyo buong gabi. So enjoy the film, everyone.
Good evening, everyone! We're so excited for you guys to see the film. Thank you for coming out on a Tuesday night. Yay!
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. I'm Yuki Takahashi. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa palabasan to at grabe, sobrang galing ng JM Fiang at sana kiligin kayo!
Good evening, everyone. Una sa lahat, congratulations.
The
The
perfect Kenzo! That's you!
maraming salamat at congratulations sa lahat ng bumuo ng Humasas.
At eto na po, please welcome Jeff Yang!
Ayan, excited na ba ang lahat? Ayan guys, thank you sa paglalaan ng oras. And syempre, huwag niyong kakalimutan. After ng film, ipalaganan po natin ang magandang balita, di ba?
Diyan ang pamilya mo, JM!
Ayun, nahiya na ako, wala na.
And of course, I know, si Daddy
Shoutout
Joshua.
sa nanay at tatay ko dyan! Kung nasan man kayong lupalop na upuan. Sana ay pagka napanood nyo, close your eyes. Especially sa tatay ko, please close your eyes. Thank you for understanding. Sana po magustuhan nyo.
And of course, go ahead,
Direct
introduce.
John
Salamat
Villegas.
po sa pagpunta at showing ko tomorrow almost us. Shoutout lang sa staff ko.
Correct! Andyan sila
Next time
direct.
mamaya. Salamat po.
Alright guys, malakpan natin Almost Us cast and our Regal executives, Direct Dan as well. Thank you guys so much for joining us here and we can't wait to see the film.
Okay, we'd like to request now the cast, the producers, to please occupy your seats upstairs na as we...
One quick photo muna tayo here in the middle.
Ay, hindi pa ba nagka-photo op nung lagay na yun? Charot. Ayan, sorry Mr. Stel, we had to... Ayan. From left to right, JP Abeliana, Rosel Monteverde, Keith Monteverde, Lotot Monteverde, charot na Monteverde pa naman. Bustamante, Baus Rufo, Dan Villegas, JM Piang, The Perfect Cancer, Just Dustin You, and of course Sam, Samarita, and the very promising Yuki Takahashi. We're missing JM Salvado ngayon, but it's so good. Okay, we will now proceed to your seats.
Should JP Abellera please stay with us?